Hello, Karsten versus the market here. So the last 2 or so weeks have been pretty great in the stock and crypto markets. There's especially been a lot of altcoins that have ran quite a bit. Now, of course, if you have a share of stock or a coin of crypto that only has a few cents or a few dollars of value, then it doesn't require very much for that to say double in value, returning 100%. Whereas a stock or crypto with hundreds or even thousands of dollars of value per unit is not as simple for that to double in value. Now, of course, with the additional profit potential, penny stocks and altcoins are also considered more risky. However, just like after the March 2020 crash of stocks and cryptos, there was a pretty amazing bull market after that. And I feel like these last 3 months of drama and crashing for many stocks and many coins, it seems like we were pretty much at the bottom of it. And this rallying now is just the beginning. I think this year or next year, there's going to be an amazing bull market for stocks and cryptos. And anyone who buys in, whether before, now, or later, should have a lot to look forward to later. Now, for an example of a particular altcoin I like and hold, there's Cardano, ADA. After it got beat down from about $3 to 70 or 80 cents, it's now back up to over $1. Now, of course, Bitcoin is back on its way up. It's at about 47.5K now, and I'm sure it'll be 70K this year or next, and then eventually 100K after that. However, Ethereum is a coin that I really believe in. I've pretty much pegged it as a great buy at $1,800 and $2,400, both of which values it was at recently. And I always pretty much knew it was an obvious buy, and sooner than later it would be right back up to 3, 4, 5K. And sure enough, here we are. And I even expect it to eventually be 10K. You know, to me, it's basically the number one rival of Bitcoin in every way. And not only has there been more regulation and a lot of crypto progress in general, but there's also Ethereum 2.0, in particular to Ethereum, around the corner. But a more realistic timetable and price target for now is probably about 5K in the next year or two. Of course, again, 3K to 5K is not as much of a percent return as, say, ADA would be if it rallies from $1 to $3 again, recovering its lost value. You know, it would be like 50% versus 300% as a return potential. But again, it's pretty much better in terms of reliability to hold some of the bigger coins, but also diversity is great. And if you have a smaller account or you're rebuilding, then you pretty much have to make sure every dollar counts. And so I like to hold a little bit of everything, especially. But with that said, at any rate, I hope that this year and next year are great years for all of us. And with that said, have a good one.